Look at this mango. This is common mango. Jamaican common mango. And me I gonna eat this right now. Organic, no chemicals. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Food like this. Yeah, man. Nobody knows me. This is the mango, and we are about to boil them, And this is early in the morning. I don't know. My mother just excited, And she said she had to boil mango. Look, common mango. You see? Them pretty. So we're gonna boil them and show you how well common mango at Jamaica.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put your business.
Down wake up. When turn out so. Watchman for Juliet at tea. Hey. I saw tea I did a watchman for charming. I couldn't 7 or 11. Fake a tea.
So anyways, the mango in the pot. And we're gonna boil them. You know about boiled mango? Have you ever heard about boiled mango? Well, now you know. Put it more ripe on them. When you put, remember to go down when you boil. Yeah, that's it. She full the pot. So yeah, this
mango for days.
So basically, you're gonna put water on it and put some salt, and we have put what leaf name?
Not the leaf, the seed.
The seed. What kind of seed?
Pimento seed.
Pimento seed. So you're gonna put pimento seed in there, and we're gonna just boil them, and we're gonna show you when I put it on, and then yeah, stay right there. So we are going to boil the mango on the stove. The water is in there already, and we're gonna put pimento seed, and we're gonna leave it to boil. So when it's boiled down, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. All right, so stay right there. Look at that. These are organic mangoes, Yes, see the pimento seed? Putting in the pimento seed. Yeah, go on, my mother. Put in the pimento seed, them, yeah.
Go on, my mother.
So yeah, that I pimento seed in.
Some salt.
And we put a little bit of salt in there. Give it flavor, and them taste good. So yeah, and we put some water. Now we add in the water. Yeah, just pop some water in, just like that. And we're gonna boil it, and I'm gonna show you when it boils down. If you never know about boiled mango, you know now. But me I tell you, St. Elizabeth people know how to survive. See it there? Boiling the mango are boiled now. This is the boiled mango. You can see that? You see how they burst? I'm telling you, if you try this, you're gonna really like it, because I'm telling you, it tastes good. So guys, if you don't know about boiled mango, you're not a Jamaican. No, you're not coming from the countryside if you don't know about boiled mango. So see there? It's done. It's mango. So we're gonna have to cool it down first. And if you're from the countryside, you don't know already. Said this I got taste good. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm eating this boiled mango. It's delicious. It tastes good. It looks like this, but it tastes real good. So guys, this is the mango, the boiled mango. There is it finished, and we are going to eat this mango now. So this is actually how it looks when it boils. Kind of look different from when you eat it fresh off the tree. And you basically just peel it like so, just like that. You're gonna eat it. And it have a different texture as well. The texture is very, very different. Well, I found this. Oh, Josiah. Guys, you should try this. I'm sweating, like it is super hot. Guys, that's basically boiled mango. So if you never try boiled mango, so try it. And you can only boil, I think you can only boil common mango in Jamaica. I don't know about boiling other mangoes, but common mango, you can boil that and it tastes good. It's the best way to eat this mango as well because it got a lot of string and stuff. And when you eat it fresh, I'm telling you, you get it in your teeth because I tried that this morning. And I did have to really brush my teeth hard to take it out. So when you boil it like this, it's better and it tastes good. It's got a really unique taste. I can't really explain what the taste is like. But yeah, it's good. So there you go. Boil mango, common mango. This is the mango that no one really likes, but when you boil it, it tastes good. Guys, that's it. I'm gonna eat one more mango. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I was just trying to show you guys how we boil mango there, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, common mango. From me young and I grew up, them thing I we do. So yeah, I'm still me. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna eat the rest of this mango and I will see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned.